Hello humans. Since ancient times we've known about cabbage. That leafy ball that snuck its way into our plates for ages, but have you ever wondered how these green globes are actually grown? Today let's embark on a wild adventure and find out how cabbage is cultivated. Get ready for some laughs, some surprises, and maybe even a little cabbage envy. The soil and creating raised beds are essential steps for successful farming. There are many ways to till the soil, from using a simple hoe to small machines, and even large agricultural equipment. For a large farm, big machinery is a must. While there are plenty of different methods, they all share the same goal: to loosen the soil and create raised beds for planting. Not just cabbage, but many other crops also requires soil preparation and raised beds. This process helps the plants better absorb fertilizers and promotes healthier growth, giving them the best chance to thrive. Choosing the right seeds is also a crucial step. Depending on the weather and climate of each region, the selection can vary. However, most farmers opt for heat-resistant varieties to ensure their crops can thrive, even in warmer conditions. There are several methods for sowing seeds, but all of them require careful attention to ensure the seedlings have the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Proper care during this stage is key to a successful harvest. Once the seedlings reach about 20 centimeters, they're ready to be transplanted onto the raised beds. There are many planting methods, but for large-scale farming, modern machinery is essential to ensure the process is efficient and effective. To ensure the plants grow strong and resist pests and diseases, farmers need to apply pesticides. Since most pests are active at night, spraying is typically done after dark to target them when they're most vulnerable. During the peak growth phase of cabbage, fertilizing becomes essential to help the plants reach their full size. Fertilizers applied when the roots are well developed and ready to absorb nutrients efficiently. This timing
ensures that the cabbage gets exactly what it needs
for optimal growth. When it comes to cabbage, China is the world's largest exporter. This country produces and exports massive quantities, supplying cabbage to markets across the globe. A farm is a vast area, and using manual methods to water it just wouldn't be enough. To tackle the challenge of providing sufficient water, farmers rely on automatic irrigation systems. This approach ensures that the crops receive consistent hydration across the entire field, saving time and effort. During the critical phase, when cabbage begins forming its head, farmers need to apply a round of pesticides to protect it from pests and diseases. This precaution helps ensure the cabbage stays healthy and can grow to its full potential. After many long days of care and attention, harvest day finally arrives. For large farms, modern machinery is used to gather the cabbage, efficiently speeding up the process and ensuring a successful harvest. Currently, the three largest cabbage exporting countries are China, Mexico, and the United States. China's production and export capacity lead globally, especially serving Asian and European markets. Mexico follows primarily, exporting to the United States and Latin America. The US is also a top exporter, with its cabbage mainly consumed in North America and Asia. Thanks to efficient farming and favorable geography, these three countries meet significant global demand for cabbage. Harvesting and transportation methods vary based on the yield of each farm. The larger the farm, the larger the machinery required. And now, thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you again.